presenting the biggest carnival of art here in the city of joy, Kolkata. Kolkata's very own Behala Art Festival, the one-of-a-kind street art festival, is back again for the 4th season. After holding 3 successful editions, this 3-day-long immersive celebration of contemporary art is here to challenge the status quo yet again. This much-awaited festival is an initiative of Behala Nutun Shongo. The lanes and bylanes surrounding the club once again comes alive with hypnotic display of street art, graffiti, photographs, media art, and visually appealing art installations. An eclectic group of emerging as well as noted artists of the city, including Mr. Shonathan Dinda, the convener, have once again united to set art free from enclosed galleries, presented to the common populace, thereby encouraging public participation. Over the years, this premier curated thought-provoking art festival has become an open platform to promote exchanging of ideas and a multidisciplinary space for the art lovers to engage with art on a deeper level. Around 40 renowned artists have shared their innovative ideas on this year's theme, Unbound, by transforming the walls of several multi-storied buildings and houses, shops, and some of the adjacent vacant spaces into a canvas. Berger Paints, the official paint partner of the Behala Art Festival 2023, is ecstatic to connect with the city of its origin through the medium of art and highlighting artworks that reflect our culture and the modern times. You have to experience this carnival that is set to rewrite the future of contemporary Indian art.